from where you live.
We have a pretty shaky Renaissance cam out there with the wind blowing pretty hard. Wind speeds have been up around 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts today, but those winds have brought in much warmer air. 61 the high temperature for today. Normally we're only at about 43, still hanging in there at 56 right now, and our barometer falling off at 29.98. We're seeing pretty uniform temperatures around the area. That's because the strong winds tend to mix the atmosphere, and we see uniformity in those temps. 55, 54, that seems to be the popular number around our local area. And then middle 50s throughout most of central Indiana, still hanging on to the 60s down there at St. Louis. So the warm air is going to stick around for the next 24 hours or so. But here's the next storm system. This right now is producing some severe weather in parts of east central Missouri. But I think by the time this system gets in here tonight, it's still going to have the heavy rains, but I don't think it's going to produce severe weather. But I'll continue to watch that one as it progresses across the state of Illinois over the next 3-4 hours. But we did have some rain earlier today. You can see those showers have now pushed off into parts of Ohio, headed toward Pennsylvania. But it is this next weather system that we think is going to drop anywhere from an inch to possibly 2 inches of rain, and that's going to put a burden on some of our local streams and rivers. There's a flood watch for most of the entire viewing area, but a flood warning still in effect for the Wabash River. This is a new forecast, and it looks like the river is going to rise even a little higher than we thought last night. Right now it looks like the crest on the Wabash will be around 18.5 feet sometime Monday afternoon. Flood stage for the Wabash is 11 feet. And here's the culprit. This is a precision cast, which shows you what the computer models are saying. Looks like that rain pushes through overnight tonight. Back behind it, cooler temperatures. Could see even a few snow flurries, particularly in the northern part of our viewing area by tomorrow night. And then this would be the situation for Sunday. We will clear things out, but this is cold air. This is the cold front right here, and behind it, the colder air. So no more 50s for the next couple of days. We'll be in the 40s on Saturday. We may barely make it to 40 degrees on Sunday, but at least we will see some sunshine and then maybe more storms than by Tuesday and Wednesday. So here it is, the specifics for the forecast tonight. There's a flood watch for most of the area. There's a flood warning for the Wabash River. And we're going to have these windy conditions with pretty steady temperatures dropping down to around 44 degrees tonight. Still rainy, some storms overnight. The rain ends, maybe some flurries then during the day and evening hours for Saturday. And then you can see the outlook just looks pretty chilly out there. So we're riding that roller coaster, but it's going to warm up eventually.
Eventually. All right.